What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and we are here today to talk about Oleo Saccharum. Oleo Saccharum comes from the Latin term oil sugar, and basically what it is, it's a citrusy flavored syrup that people use to incorporate into punches and different things. It's a great flavoring agent and it's really simple to make. Essentially what you do is you take the peel from citrus fruit, namely oranges and lemons, and you peel them very thinly, not so thick that it goes down to the pith, which is the white bitter part. These are already done, but if you can get a look at this right here, you try to get as little bit of the pith as possible. And what you do is you go ahead and you peel them, place them in an airtight container, and you cover them with sugar. Muddle them a little bit, of course, cover them with sugar, and you leave that overnight. And what happens is the natural ability from the sugar pulls out all the essential oils from the skins. After about 12 hours or so, you get a nice clear liquid that has a very fragrant citrusy smell, very fruity, and you use that in your flavoring. It's right here. You could take a look. This has been sitting overnight. Comes out nice and clear. Almost done. Now, I used about for this amount of Oleo Saccharum, I used about 4 lemons and 4 oranges. So for each fruit, I used about a tablespoon of sugar, normal white sugar, in order to make this. Put everything in the jar, muddle a little bit, shake it up so that the sugar gets to coat everything. Every now and again, every couple hours or so, if you can, go ahead and shake it again just to make sure that the sugars dissolve in the oils and everything gets mixed up. And then in about 12 hours, you're done. You just have this, you put it in a container that you can store, and this is good to go for about 4 days. Cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and you're basically done. There is another way that you can make Oleo Saccharum by Jeffrey Morgenthaler, a great bartender out of the States, and you can do that with vacuum sealing. So essentially, you take the same lemons, same oranges, muddle them in a bowl a little bit, cover them with sugar, and then you put everything in a vacuum seal bag. Place everything in the bag, vacuum seal it, leave it overnight, and it comes out perfectly. Just like this, very little muss and fuss, and that'll last you for about a week or so. It's a good idea when you have vacuum seal bags, just go ahead and label it, let you know what date you started out with, and you can count from there how long it's going to take. And then you're done. That's Oleo Saccharum in a nutshell. If you're looking for products that will help you take your bartending skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co. Check us out there. Also, if you want to get some of the ground fundamentals down, go ahead and click in the link in the description for our Barprints cheat sheet. Gives you a lot of the fundamentals there, and plus a couple of advanced techniques for you to try at home. Or if you're somebody who is learning bartending and you want to gift it to them, send them somewhere where they can learn the basics, it's a great place to start there. Go ahead and at the end of this video, click the subscribe button and go ahead and click the bell for notifications. Make sure you never miss a video. If there's something you want me to cover, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I'll try to get to it in the days and weeks ahead. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.